Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and today's video is one such video where I had to work for over 8 hours straight. Yes, of course, not like straight sit in one stretch, but just very tiny little breaks. But I was always in front of the camera because I have swatched over 70 lipsticks, which let me show you guys right here. I've arranged it in the Sugar X Wonder Woman box that I received. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Okay, I knocked something off, but here. I also did like a quick shot for thumbnail because I just want to get done with filming. So today's video is one such video where I had swatched all of this to find dupes. Okay, now before someone comes at me, these are affordable lipsticks and I have dupes for it, pretty much from the affordable range. Sometimes the dupe is way over than the actual lipstick that I'm duping in terms of price. But here we're looking at similar shades, we're looking at quality, we're looking at better formula, we're looking at all those options. The reason why I decided to do this is this way I want to help you guys avoid buying the same shades time and again. It happens to the best of us, it happens to so many of us. That's the reason I've actually ended up with so many shades. How do you think I have so many different shades? Because online, the swatches are a little bit deceptive. It looks different on different skin tones. So you end up buying the shade, and then when you swatch it side by side, you're ending up with almost the exact shade or something in a similar color family. So in today's video, even if it is not a 100% match, it is to show you guys that these are from a similar color family. If you want to avoid that, skip it. Move to the other direction, find something else that is a little bit different. And in fact, most of these products, I actually took it out and duped it just for you guys because you asked me for dupes for these particular shades, and that's the reason I sat down and did that. So you know the motive of my channel. It is always to help you guys save money. So on the note of saving money, I'm pretty sure after watching this video, a couple of these products will be in your cart and you will be placing an order. So in case you want to shop by saving a little bit of cash, I think you guys would be really interested to check out GoPaisa. GoPaisa is an online coupon and cashback giving app. So whatever you're ordering, it doesn't really have to be just makeup or lipsticks. It can be anything that you're shopping, even for your house, even like clothing. You can shop through this app and earn additional cash back, which is like real cash that comes back to your account. They have over 1,500 brands associated with them. So all you have to do is just type in the name that you want in the app and then get shopping. Yeah, let's get started with the video and I'll tell you guys how to actually use the app. So it's a lot more clear, it's a lot more effective that way. So the first product I'm going to be talking about is the Sugar Matisse Hell Lip Crayon in the shade Baby Houseman. You guys have been asking me for dupes for this particular shade for the longest time, and I did go ahead and find a shade for this. And the dupe that I have for this is from Colorbar. This is their Matte Me As I Am lip color in the shade Devilry. I got this in the travel size because this one is priced at $3.99 I want to say, but even the full size you can get it on discount for 550 rupees. So this is an amazing shade. You guys can see how similar they are to each other once swatched on the lip. Of course, I want to share another shade which I feel is very similar to Baby Houseman. This one is the Maybelline Loaded Bolds lipstick in the shade Berry Bossy. You guys can see now that I've swatched it on my lips side by side. Berry Bossy is just a tad bit more deeper, but they're very similar and almost a similar color family. Just that Berry Bossy has a slight more sheen to it, so there's just a slight bit shade shift. So in case you wanted to pick any one of these shades, so all you have to do is click on the link in the description box below, with which if you sign up, you get instant 25 rupees cash back. And then you can shop on your favorite website. You can search up any website you want. Say if you want to check Amazon. You can see on Amazon you get up to 5% GoPaisa rewards, and once you click on that it says deal activated and then you're taken to the Amazon page. Just keep in mind that when you're shopping on Amazon you have to keep your cart empty for your cashback to be tracked, and then you can start shopping just the usual way. Add your product to your cart and place the order. And once you've done placing the order, you're like, okay, where is the cash back? So you can come back to your GoPaisa app and under my account section, you can check on your confirmed earnings where you'll see all the details about it, when, how much is pending, what is confirmed and all that. You can see your Amazon rewards are there. You can enter your bank account details and transfer this back to your bank account. So this is like real cash. So I feel like this is something that I always do. I use cashback just in case I'm shopping over somewhere, because it's a lot easier for me to save a little bit of cash as I shop. You know, you feel a little less guilty, and this amount is always useful for me to invest it back into my channel. So that's what I like to do. And I even do that for my household things. I like shop for groceries and everything using cashback because I can save a little bit of money, which I feel like is always amazing. Who would say no to cash? And yeah, let's move on to the next product. So firstly, I will be starting off with Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha on one side. So this is a shade that a lot of you guys requested that I do, and you wanted to see some other formula which doesn't dry up that easily in the tube, something a little bit more pigmented, because this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick over time actually doesn't have as much pigmentation as it did originally. So it kind of becomes a little bit sheer on your lips, and the pigmentation, the natural pigmentation of your lips will peek through. By the way, the reason my Wet n Wild looks a little bit liquidy is because I try to use a primer oil, and it does revive the shade, but the formula changes. So the first dupe that I'm going to be swatching on this side is something that I was so amazed at. Like, if Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha was a little bit more pigmented, this is how the shade would be. This is from the brand called Bellora Cosmetics, and this one is in the shade Tea Time. You guys can see now that I've let it dry down side by side. Bellora one is a little bit more pigmented, so the shade looks a little bit different, but they look very similar on the lips, and this is what it looks like side by side. There is a little bit of a difference because Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha is actually a beautiful shade, but this is the closest I could get to pigmentation, comfort level, and something that doesn't dry down in the tube just yet. Again, I still have the Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha on my lips. So the next shade that is very, very similar to Give Me Mocha at literally like half the price of Give Me Mocha is Miss Claire 58, which is a beautiful shade. I really, really like this one. And then the next shade I'm going to be swatching is Disguise Cosmetics Relaxed Mocha. So comparing Relaxed Mocha to Give Me Mocha. So I have let Relaxed Mocha relax on my lips for a while, and I'm coming a little bit closer to the camera. You guys can see they look very, very similar on the lips once you let them dry down. But me being a person who has to tell you guys every single detail, Give Me Mocha has slight bit more mauve undertones to it, and this one is a little bit more orange tone. But on the lips, like if you were to apply it side by side, people will not recognize it that easily. It's not like a stark demarcation of shades. So next up, I want to be swatching Sugar Claire Underwood. A lot of you guys love this shade and were like, do you have any affordable option, a dupe for this? And I think I did. Look at that, it glides on like butter, so easy to swatch it. And the dupe, if I may call it, is from Blue Heaven. This is their non-transfer lipstick in the shade Dark Chocolate. This is how they look side by side, so similar. I love the formula of both of these, and the Blue Heaven lipsticks are amazing for the price. So if you are looking to buy them, do not hesitate at all, and they're very, very similar. And in case you feel like you can't find the Blue Heaven one because I'm not sure if they discontinued it, you can try out the Sugar Claire Underwood shade. And another dupe for Claire Underwood that I have is from Mars Cosmetics. This is in the shade Girl Power. This is a lip crayon. They're very similar formula, and the Mars Cosmetics lip crayon is literally like half the price of the Sugar lip crayon. Next up, I'm going to be swatching the Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Bombay. The dupe for that I have is from Miss Claire. This is the soft matte lip cream in the shade number 31. Again, you get Miss Claire for a much reasonable price. So it depends on what you want to buy, but because you guys asked for a similar shade, I am suggesting this one. Next, I'm going to be swatching a very, very popular shade, the Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Mona Lisa. And the dupe I have for this is from Maybelline. It is a Super Stay Matte Ink Lip Crayon in the shade Enjoy the View. You guys can see on the lips, they are very, very similar. If there is any slight difference in shade, it's because of the texture of the lipstick. The Maybelline one has more of a creamier finish, and it's a lot more comfortable on the lips if you find the Nykaa one to be a little bit too matte. The next shade is the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic. And the dupe I have for this is from Maybelline. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade Sensationally Me. This is what they look side by side. I feel like the Maybelline one is slightly a bit more brighter and more pigmented than the NYX itself. And personally, the Maybelline liquid lipstick is my favorite formula over the NYX Lip Lingerie. So it just depends on how you like it. So next one I'm going to be talking about is not a dupe or anything of that sort. It's a little bit different, both the shades, but every time I'm shopping online, I want to see a comparison of like similar shades that I think would be in my head. So this is, on this side I have the Faces lip crayon in the shade Espresso, and on this side I have the Sugar Matte Attack transfer proof lipstick in the shade Tan Helen. And I just wanted to show you guys, in case you're wondering like how these two shades look side by side, this is how it looks. So the next one I'm going to be swatching is the Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kapi. I am not a fan of the liquid, the mini liquid lipsticks from Nykaa, because I feel like they're not as pigmented. Like you guys can see, I'm actually trying to take out as much product and apply it, and still the pigmentation is very less. And I have two dupes for that. One is from L'Oreal. This is a liquid lipstick in the shade I Explore 116. So this is what it looks like side by side. The L'Oreal liquid lipstick is way more pigmented than Madras Kapi. And then swatching Rimmel Troublemaker. Rimmel Troublemaker is a lot more pigmented, and I think it's a better shade. Now Troublemaker has a different tone shift compared to Madras Kapi. Madras Kapi is a little bit more warm, whereas Troublemaker seems a little bit more cool toned. But I would rather have it this way, where it's a little bit more pigmented as well and can mask the pigmentation of my lips compared to Madras Kapi. So this is not a dupe by any means, like an exact dupe, but something that is of a similar tone but better. That is why I included it in this video. Next one I'm going to be swatching is Nykaa lip crayon in the shade Jade Rose. So a similar shade to that is Faces Canada Weightless Matte Lipstick in the shade Brown Ashes. Now again, these shades are quite similar, although not exactly the same. Brown Ashes has a little bit more mauve tones to it, and Nykaa Jade Rose has a little bit more red undertone to it. But I feel like, they are of a similar color family. Another shade that a lot of you guys recommended that are identical is the Sugar lip crayon in the shade Brandy Harrington. If you have that, I don't think you have to go ahead and get Jade Rose, because a lot of you guys mentioned that they are absolutely the same, and because I already have so many similar shades, I didn't want to go out and buy that. So this is what both of these look side by side. And another similar shade to Nykaa Jade Rose is from Swiss Beauty. This is their non-transfer waterproof lipstick in the shade Mauve Taupe. I feel like again these shades are very, very similar, just that Jade Rose is a little bit more deeper and maybe has a little bit more red tones to it. That's what makes, that red tone is what makes Nykaa Jade Rose a little bit unique. Next one I'm going to be swatching is the Chambord liquid lipstick in the shade 484. And then I'm going to be swatching the NY Way Primer Plus Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Snuggle Secrets. This is what both the shades look like side by side, and the NY Way liquid lipstick has a slight more plum undertones to it. This Chambord one has more warm brown undertones to it, but on the lips they look very similar color tones if you keep aside the shade shift. Next up, I'm going to be swatching the Nykaa So Creme lipstick in the shade Deja Nude, and a similar shade to that is the Swiss Beauty lipstick in the shade Natural Cocoa. So this is what it looks like side by side. The shade is very, very similar, although the Swiss Beauty needs a lot of building up. It lacks pigmentation and it's a little bit of a rigid formula, but it's very affordable. Next one I have is from Calabar. This is their Sinful Matte lipstick in the shade Sultry. You guys know how much I love this shade. And a similar shade is from Bella Was. This is their matte lip crayon in the shade number 02. Next, also another shade that is very similar to Calabar Sultry is the Sugar X Wonder Woman Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade 03 Crime Fighter. They are like really similar. The Sugar lipstick is a lot more affordable compared to Calabar lipstick. Next one I'm going to be swatching is the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. This is one of my favorite shades. It's like My Lips but better kind of shade, and a very similar shade to that is from Nykaa. This is their So Matte lipstick in the shade Irish Coffee. So next one I'm going to be swatching is the Chambord liquid lipstick in the shade 482. This is one of my favorite liquid lipstick shades. And then the shade similar to that is from Lakme. This is their Forever Matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Mauve Party. So this is how they look like once they have settled down. And the Lakme one is a little bit more mauve, and the Chambord liquid lipstick is a little bit more brown, but on the lips they look almost the same. The next one we have is also from Chambord. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade 483. Again, a beautiful shade. A dupe or a similar shade that I have is also from Lakme. This is their Forever Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Nude Dream. Very, very similar shades. The semblance is uncanny. Like the shade is on point on the lips and they look the same. The next one I want to be talking about is the Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Diana. And a shade that is quite similar to that is from Sugar. It's their Creamy Matte lipstick in the shade Claiborne. If you don't really like the formula of Diana because you find it to be too matte, you can try out the Creamy Matte lipstick from Sugar. It's one of my favorite lipstick formulas. I've made a video all about it. I will link it here in the cards. And then a shade that is so similar from a very affordable brand is from Biotic. This is their Magic lipstick in the shade Cookie Crumble. So similar, just that the finish is different. This one has a very nice like satin finish. Nykaa lipstick is of course matte. So next up I have the L'Oreal Star Collection lipstick. This is the Sonam Kapoor shade in Pure Garnet. This is a beautiful shade, but yes, I agree it does bleed quite a lot. And in today's video I have quite a few shades that are similar, maybe not really very close, but very similar shades. The tone of this is like it's a red shade but with a lot of berry undertones to it, but I've tried to find some quite similar shades. The first one is the Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade California Merlot. Maybe the shade California Merlot doesn't have as much red like the one in L'Oreal lipstick, but look at that on the lips. The next one I have is from Nykaa. This is the Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Cleopatra. So this is again a pretty similar tone, but the finish is different. The Nykaa Ultra Matte is a super matte lipstick. It doesn't move around as much as the L'Oreal one, so if that is what you're looking for, you can try this one out. Next one I'm going to be swatching is the Faces lip crayon in the shade Scandalous. Again, a similar shade with not so much of a red tone to it, but the formula of this Faces lip crayon is amazing, very long wearing, very comfortable, doesn't move around as much. The next shade I have is from Biotic. This is the shade Very Moody. Now this shade again is very similar to the L'Oreal lipstick, but are you guys lucky or what? I've tried to include everything in terms of price points, so different shades for different prices. I've tried to incorporate different finishes, just keeping in mind everyone and keeping everyone content. The shade is very similar, maybe just a little bit of an undertone shift, just a little bit. But next shade I'm going to be swatching is the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. This one is in the shade Love Bite, and a shade that is similar to that is My Glam liquid lipstick in the shade Swinger. The My Glam liquid lipstick is a lot more drying and very matte. The Rimmel liquid lipstick is a lot more moussier, more comfortable on the lips. If you're wondering if it's similar to Chambord 484, it's not at all the same. Next up, I'm going to be swatching Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Chai. The shade I have that is very similar to that is from Nicka K. This is their True Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Cocoa Bean. Now the formula of this can be very hit or miss. Some people can find it too drying, but some people can like it because it's very pigmented, long lasting and matte. In case you don't really like it, then you can choose Nykaa, whichever one you like. Next up, I have Milani liquid lipstick in the shade Loved. And I feel a shade that is very similar to that and 10 times more comfortable is from PAC. This was their Sweet Sensation lip cream in the shade Go Getter number 17. And I really like the formula of the PAC lip creams. Next up, I'm swatching Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Divine Praline. So the shade that is very similar is from everybody's favorite range, I feel, is from Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. This one is in the shade Mauve Ecstasy. Maybe the pigmentation is not up to Sugar, okay? Sugar is like really matte, really drying, really pigmented. Maybe this is not up to it, but it is pretty pigmented if you layer it on, and it's the most comfortable liquid lipstick formula, and the plus point is you get a similar shade. Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Wine and Shine. One of the most requested liquid lipsticks for me to do. A shade that is exactly similar to this is from My Glam. This is the liquid lipstick in the shade Cuffing. I know that even this formula is a little bit drying, but it's a lot more comfortable than the Sugar liquid lipstick itself. Like the minute you apply the Sugar liquid lipstick, it will suck out the moisture from your lips, like draining out all the moisture. The My Glam one is not like that. It's a lot more comfortable. But you have to keep in mind that this liquid lipstick is so sought after because of that color, right? It's like bright. It has a little bit of like that brightness to it. That pigment could be the one that is making these formulas a little bit more drying. I like the formula of the My Glam liquid lipstick a lot better. Next one I have is from Colourpop. This is the shade More Better. It's a very unique shade, you guys. Very difficult to dupe this. The dupe for that is from Purple. I will leave the shade on the screen or in the description box. Look at that. It's very similar. There's a little bit of brightness to More Better, but I feel like the purple shade is catching up. Another shade that is not maybe as bright as More Better, but up there pretty similar is from Bellora Cosmetics, and this one is in this shade Sangria Love. I love the formula of these Bellora liquid lipsticks. They are a lot better, a lot more comfortable than Colourpop itself. So it's not as drying and very pigmented. You can try this out. And then a lipstick of a similar shade from my favorite lipstick range. This is the Swiss Beauty Non-Transfer lipstick in the shade Burgundy. Look at how similar that is to the shade. Of course, that is a liquid lipstick. This is a lipstick, but if you wanted a lipstick alternative for more better. So the next one is the Kiko Milano Lost in Amalfi liquid lipstick in the shade 06. The problem with this is you can't find this online, but you can find it in Kiko Milano stores across the country. But if you wanted a similar shade, like a bright orange toad red shade, you can try out the Sugar X Wonder Woman liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade 02 Firezoid. Both the formulas are very, very long wearing, very pigmented, and looks really nice on the lips. So the next one is Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. But a shade that I could find that is pretty similar to this is Nykaa Wonder Puff Cushion lipstick in the shade Blessed. So yeah, those were all the dupes that I had, or similar shades of lipsticks that I had. I'm so afraid to use the word dupes because somebody is going to come at me like, this is not a dupe. I have found some exact shades. I have found some similar shades. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video and appreciate the effort that I've put in here. It was a task filming, guys. It's around 7:30 and I'm still filming the video. My back is killing me, my knee is hurting, but I'm not given up. So I really hope you guys appreciate the efforts that has gone into this video. So let me know which is the exact dupe that we're looking for and you found it in this video. Let me know in the comment section down below. It'll be really amazing for me to know that. And also you can shop that dupe using the link in the description box below with GoPaisa. Do not forget to sign up. And if you do appreciate the efforts that has gone behind this video, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And see you guys in my next one. Bye.